Hi guys, so on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat full screen problem. So if you wanna make your camera full screen on Snapchat, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless add networks right here in the top. Go to the airplane mode as you can see and enable it like this for 5 seconds, exactly 5 seconds, and then disable it. After that, go back to the home page and open the Play Store. If you have the iPhone, you can open the App Store, it's the same thing. Go to the search bar and search for Snapchat like this. Scroll and click on this update option. When you click on update, the problem is gonna be fixed. Very easy and simple as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.